It's a 2013 Heidelberg Eurobind. It's a 4-clamp PUR perfect binder. We'll go ahead and run you through all the features and specs, and then we'll do a little demo on the machine. So again, I believe it's distributed through Heidelberg. It's got Heidelberg controls. You got a large, maybe about a 12-inch touchscreen interface over here that holds all your different, you can do all your programming, automatic setup, so on and so forth on here. Status of the machine, but the machine pretty much is full auto setup. Here's your binding window here where you put your books in. It's got safety lights left and right so you can't cycle with a hand in there. Over here you got your PUR pod on the left and your side glue or EVA pod on the right. And this is the nipping station where the covers go on, right there. It's got a vacuum cover feeder, which is on the end here. Here's your cover feeder. It's an end-feed cover feeder. It runs on 400 volts. So we are using our own transformer right now, but that's a transformer that's included with the machine. Here's your PUR pre-melter. You can put a different pot in this machine, but this is set up with a PUR setup and a PUR pre-melter. Here's the back of the machine where the books are coming around as they're drying between cycles. And then you got your receiving stacker down here at the bottom. That's going to accept your books as they come off. Before it goes around all 4 positions and it drops the book down. We'll go ahead and just run a couple books through here. We just got it set up for some testing here. Putting the cover on. We broke the safety beam. There we go. So there's the gluing station there. That's your PUR station, that's your EVA station. That's putting your that's where it puts the covers on. Again, we're not professional operators, we're just running a few books through it. You can see the cover comes up there. Cover gets applied, goes across. Next cover comes in. There's your cover feeder down here. Also has creasing and scoring right there. Feeds from underneath. This is where the books are going while they're drying. That's the first clamp there. It's the 4th clamp there, and then when it gets all the way around the other side, it drops the book out. There it goes. There she goes. And we don't have a job set up, so we're just running 1 book at a time. This machine runs much faster than this when it's set up in production. So again, it's a 2013 Heidelberg Eurobind. It was refurbished in 2020 or 2021. PUR, 4-clamp, vacuum fed cover feeder. The rest of the specs will be in the description.